my dear smart investor, this is Lekki phase 1, and what I'm about to introduce to you is one of our luxury terrace duplex in the axis of Lekki phase 1. This is off Freedom Way and this is Camberwall Advantage, and if you can see, we've actually done a tremendous work here. You can see everything is standing. We have a sample unit which I'm going to tell you so that you can see what you want to invest here in Lekki phase 1. The title here is Governor's Consent and he has a building approval. This is a fantastic offer because this is one of our luxury estates here in Lekki phase 1, and here you can spread your payment for 6 months because you can see the stage where we are now. The price here is 230 million naira, but guess what, the price is going to increase by 22nd of March 2024, maybe in the next 1 week. Yes, today is 12, so in the next 1 week this is going to increase to 290 million naira. Yes, see what we've been able to put together. I will tell you in to see it, and you can spread your payment for 6 months. Initial deposit is 23 million naira. That is 10% of the value of the property. This is fantastic offer. If you are using this for investment, you will be renting this house as high as 15 to 20 million naira. This is a good investment for you. This is very good if you want to stay here with your family, or you want to use it as an investment. You want to rent it out, or maybe you want to use it for Airbnb. This is a lucrative place. This is a prime location. This is Lekki phase 1, and I know this is a very good investment for you. This is Camberwall Advantage 5. This is our 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, study or a gym. So you can use the space we create for study, or you can use it as a gym in your house. Here we are going to give you 24/7 power supply, good drainages in the system, good water. We are going to give you security. Your security will be 24/7, access card from the estate gate and the rest. Also, we have our apartments too, but here this is terrace duplexes, and you can key into either apartment or the terrace duplex. Initial deposit, like I made mention, for our terrace duplex is 23 million naira. That is 10% of the value of the property. This is still going for 230 million naira. You can see we've done a tremendous work here. Before I take you to our sample units, let me just show you around to see what we have here. Everything is 20 units here. So this is the level of construction. This is where we are. Like I told you, all occupants are entitled to 2 car lots here. You can park in front of your unit. As you see it at the 3D drawing, how this place is going to look like. This is service estate. We are going to give you a lot: electricity, security, water, and every top notch that you expect in the estate. This is the level that we are as at today, as at 12th of March 2024. You can only spread your payment for 6 months. Look at it. We've done tremendously well. This is a good one. You can see, before you know it, now we'll start the electricals inside, the fittings and the rest. We've done the plastering, and likewise the other place too, and you have a space for 2 cars here that you can park here. This is a very good one. I'm going to tell you in so that you see what we have in this place. So this is Camberwall Advantage 5. This is our 4-bedroom. Yes, all what I'm going to show you come fully finished but not furnished. But if you want it like that, you can actually employ our service to do that for you. What I'm showing you was 230 million naira, but let me save you the whooping 60 million naira. You need to subscribe right away so that you won't buy it for 290 million naira. So let's go in. Welcome home. So this is our door. You can see how hard it is. It is very, very hard. Yes, to show you what we use for this apartment and everything that you're going to see here. This is how we'll deliver it to you. The one that we're not going to deliver to you, I'll mention it. Just sit down and make sure that you watch this video to the end. This is coming with it. This is our door. This is digital, so we'll set it for you when you subscribe to this. So welcome home. Here we have our living room. It's sizable. This is how you can actually design your home. So we have a big window here that is for good ventilation to come in, and also we have the dining here. Is very sizable here. So this is the dining area here, from the kitchen to the dining. And don't forget, we have our visitors toilet here in this place. So come and see the visitors toilet. This is the visitors toilet here. So this is how it's going to come. The developer has done some wall cladding here, so I will show you what this will come with and what is not coming with. So look at it very closely now. You can see there is a wall cladding here. It's not going to come with all this. As in the furniture you are seeing here, this is not going to come with the furniture, but every other thing you're seeing, the lighting, we have a good lighting here. We have the POP, the sound system. You can see speaker, see the POP. This is well designed. This is a good one. This is going for 230 million naira. Initial deposit that you need to do right away is 23 million naira, and you can spread your payment for 6 months. Also, I'll be taking you to the kitchen to see how we actually arrange the kitchen. Before I take you to the kitchen, look at our switch. You can see how this thing works. So I control it here. You can see how everything works. We pay attention to all this. It's a luxurious home, but you can see that we put all these things in details to make sure that we deliver good home for you. So okay, so we're going to the kitchen now. So this is the kitchen, and this is what we have in the kitchen. All this lighting, this is how we're going to deliver it to you, except the cooker and oven, and also the microwave. And why we exempt this is because most of our subscribers, with our experience, they remove all this out of their building because they have taste and they might not want the one we are going to put there. And that is why we need to remove all this from what we are going to deliver to you. But look at the kitchen. This is spacious. It's coming with the heat extractor, and look at all the partition where you can store your things. This is how we are going to deliver this to you. And also the sink and the ventilation, and this leads to outside. That is the BQ. And also we have the pantries. So this is our pantry, and you can see the sizable pantry that we have here. And also the lighting, I like it. This is the best time to key into this. This is 4 bedroom. We have a room for either you want to use it for gym or you want to use it as a study room. This is the best time to key into Camberwall Advantage 5. I'm taking you up now to see what we have here. So let's go up. This is our staircase. This is beautiful, right? So I'm still going to show you our mini lounge upstairs and show you all our rooms. It's a very sizable one, and I know you will like it. This is going for 230 million naira with initial deposit of 23 million naira. You can actually subscribe to this and spread your payment for 6 months. So this is our living room. You can see how special this place is. You might not want to go downstairs. You just want to stay here and do whatever you want to do, whether you want to watch Prime Video, Netflix, or Showmax. This is comfortable enough for you to be able to do that. And also here we have our dry kitchen here, where you can actually make coffee or do some sandwiches. You can see that we partition it. This is this is luxurious. This is a 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ and study or gym. Before I go into the room, I'm going to show you her balcony. This is a very spacious one, and you can see how you can actually do this. This is fantastic. Let me show you. So you can decide at the cool of the evening to just come sit down here and enjoy yourself. Look at it. This is a very good one, and you can see things around. You can see houses around. Maybe you and your wife or you and your kids. You know, this is a good one. This is a balcony, and this is very good. Also, I'm going to show you the room now, so for you to see how sizable the room is, and I know you like what you are seeing so far. This is our first room here, like a visitor's room, because the first room that I'm showing you is here. Downstairs we have the living room, the visitor's toilet, and we have the kitchen. But this is the first room, and all room and en suite. We have our wardrobe here. You can see it's a sizable one for the wardrobe. This is a visitor's room, and we have our beddings here, and also we have our toilet and the bathroom. So look at how it is. We have shower cubicle here, the shower, the washing and basin, and we have our WC. This is a very sizable one. So let me show you the other room here. Yes, all room on the first floor is 2, and we have one room. Either you want to use it as a gym or you want to use it as a study. So before I go to the second room here, let me branch here. So this is a spacious one. You can convert it to your gym room or your study room. This is a good one here. So we have the second room. This is it. So this is the second room. It's sizable, and we have our wardrobe here. Let me show you what we have here. It's a sizable one. We have our wardrobe here, and the other wardrobe is here, and we have our toilet and the bathroom. So see the other wardrobe here, and this is our toilet and the bathroom. So we have our wash and basin, we have our WC, and we have our shower cubicle, and also we have our mirror here too. This is a sizable one, and don't forget we have our water heater too. So I'm going upstairs now. That is the last floor, which is the second floor, to show you the remaining 2 rooms. But look at it. This is luxurious. This is fantastic. This is going for 230 million naira. Now, by 22nd of March 2024, this will be going for 290 million naira. Let me save you 16 million naira. You can decide to buy 1 unit, 2 units, depending on the investment you want to do. If you are a first-time home buyer, we got you. And if you are serial investor, you know, we got your back. Let me show you what is on the topmost floor. So we're going to the second floor now. Yes, this is the last floor in Camberwall Advantage, Lekki Phase 1, off Freedom Way, in the axis of Lagos, Nigeria. So this is it. This is the last floor here. You can see, look at it. Look at another space here. You can see what I'm saying. This is it. So this place is for husband and wife. I will tell you that this is for husband and wife, madam's room, master bedroom. Okay, so this is the primary room. So look at it, look at it, look at it. This home, yes, we furnish it just to show you how you can arrange your home. Is going to come fully finished, but not furnished. So look at it. We have the large balcony here too. So check it. So this is another one. So check it. This is the second floor. So you and your wife can decide to do this. You know, this is a fantastic one. So you can see, you see what is going on here. So this is Lekki Phase 1, and this is going for 230 million naira. Initial deposit is 23 million naira. So look at the space, look at it. This is walk-in closet. Come and check this one out. This is the walk-in closet. You can see, look at it. Oh my gosh, this is it. This is it. Come and check it. Check it out. Just check it. Check it. So look at it. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at our switches. You can see we are doing here luxury. Yes, and also here is our toilets on the bathroom. So this is it. We have the jacuzzi, we have the shower cubicle, we have the wash and basin, and this is fantastic. This is good. You can see this is all luxurious. Look at it. Look at it. This is good. I mean, this is fantastic. Let me show you the other room just to see the 4th room in this building. This is home. Before I go to the 4th room, look at it. This is box room. Your luggage, all these boxes, you can just put it here. But it's a box room anyway. So anything you want to use it for, this is it. So this is the mother's room. Yes, this is fantastic. You can see how spacious this is. This is the 4th room. This is good. This is a good one. You can see how spacious is it with walk-in closet. So we have walk-in closet here. So you can see this is it. The walk-in closet is here, and this is fantastic. And also we have our toilets and the bathroom here. Come and see, this is it. We have our shower cubicle, the mirror, the washing and basin, and also the WC. And don't forget, we have our water heater. So look at it, this is fantastic. This is a good one. This is what you've been waiting for in the axis of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, you can see that everything is standing, and in 6 months time or less than that, we finish the building and we deliver out to you. Initial deposit is 23 million naira, and you can spread your payment for 6 months. This is Camberwall Advantage 5. This is in the axis of Lekki phase 1. It is off Freedom Way. This is free from flood. This is a serene environment. It is governor's consent, and I know investing in this place, you will not regret it. Trial will convince you. Call the number showing on the screen. I will be expecting your call. This is the best time to invest in this home. Either you're first-time home buyer, you're a serial investor, or you are one that wants to get it either for rental, short let, or Airbnb. Anything you want to use it for, this is a prime location. And you want to use it for short let, this is Lekki phase 1. You will make back your money. The price of it is 230 million naira with initial deposit of 23 million naira, and you can spread your payment for 6 months. This is what you've been looking for. Yes, your search stop here. This is Camberwall Advantage 5. A number is there. Call us right away. Call us now. This is the best time to actually invest here. If you wait till 22nd of March 2024, in the next 10 days or 11 days, you'll be buying this one for 290 million naira. Let me save you that 60 million naira. Call the number here. Let me take you for an inspection, either virtually or physically, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification. Follow us on all our social media under Salesville Property. This is it. This is the investment you've been looking for. This is 4-bedroom with a BQ. The other room, whether you want to convert it to gym or a study room, anyone you want to use it for. This is Lekki phase 1. It's a prime location, and this was your investment. Is that 23 million naira that you need to lock it down? Don't wait, because if you snooze, you lose. I'll be expecting your call. Thank you for watching this video, and don't stop watching. Continue watching this channel. We got you.